Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix unpinned from taskbar are back after restart or sign out in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Copy text from description and paste it. Press Enter key. Delete keys under taskband. Also delete all D word under taskband. Click OK to continue. Right-click Start button, click Run. Copy second text from description and paste it, click OK. Click View, check hidden items. Delete all folders and files. Right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.